Hi everyone! Today I will be sharing a walnut cookies recipe with just 3 ingredients. These cookies are soft and chewy, perfect treat for any time of day. Join me in the kitchen and discover how easy it is to prepare these delicious cookies. Let's get started! For this recipe we need 11 ounces of raw walnuts, half cup of white granulated sugar, and 2 egg whites. Place the walnuts in a food processor and finely chop. Transfer that to a mixing bowl, add sugar and stir the dry ingredients. Whisk a little egg whites and gradually add them into the dry ingredients. It's very important to add the egg whites gradually because not all of them may be needed for the dough. Knead everything until it forms a kind of little sticky dough look like this. Our cookie dough is ready. Form the cookie dough into balls and bake as is, or optionally roll those balls in powdered sugar. Then place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, let them cool completely before serving. Now that my cookies are cooled completely, I'll show you what's inside. The cookies are large and crispy on the outside and soft and chewy in the inside and full of walnut flavor. It's really amazing. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.